Alright, version 2.0 is up and running. A little janky in spots, but we've got cold side, hot side, everything's all isolated. Gotta love aluminum T-slat. Only problem here is the second layer of the Peltier is having some difficulties. I don't know if it requires a higher voltage or not, so I'm probably going to have to strip that, take this all, or take at least that part of the assembly apart and rebuild with a lower amperage. Currently it goes to like it's almost like a dead short, which stops the power supply from working. I don't know if that's because it's a dead short or it's just overwhelming the power supply. So I'm going to try putting some 6 amp ones on there and see if it's really a matter of 12 volts or not. Anyway, everything seems to be working otherwise though. I've got the second one in a loop back. I think that might actually be resisting and forcing me to put more power in, but otherwise it's looking pretty good.